Hey everybody, I'm back again. Today I just want to go over to Eyevac Home. This is the touchless vacuum. Guys, it is dual high efficiency and it has an awesome bagless filtration system on it. And let me start off by telling you, it does have these ultraviolet laser sensors down here at the bottom. This is how it actually kicks on once you get it set up and running how you want it. I'll start with by showing you the actual filtration box, guys. If you pull it out, it's as easy and convenient to dump. This thing is so convenient and makes cleaning up a lot easier. You can see right here at the bottom, it does have a filter to keep debris from going into the actual vacuum pump itself. This model is 1,000 watts and your actual trash thing is so easy to dump. You simply can pull the lid and you can see the trash down here in the bottom of it. You simply just dump the trash however you like. I'm gonna dump it right here, guys, so I can show you a great example. Well, you could also, if you didn't want to take the whole thing out and you just wanted to clean the actual filter, you could simply twist this and pull it out. It's real simple to beat out, guys. Don't get real dirty. These things are ultimately convenient. I use it in an actual commercial building and, well, I never have no problem. It makes sweeping up a breeze and you only got to dump it once every couple weeks, every couple months, whatever works best for your actual period. As you can see, I just snapped it right back. Well, just make sure it's snapped back in place correctly. You'll know once it's in there, it all fits real smooth. To give you a quick rundown, you can see it has this handle on the back. This thing is ultra light, guys. You can pick it up with literally one finger. It's not heavy at all. To set it up, you can see the power button on the left. If you was to click it once, you could put it in automatic mode. You click it a second time and it's in manual mode. It also has this full button. Once your trash bin gets full, it will let you know, it will light up. So that's always convenient as well. Cut it off, simply hit the power button a third time till you don't see no lights. I usually keep mine on automatic mode, but if you was to put it in manual mode, you can simply click the activate button and your vacuum will kick on. It did come with like a 5-foot cord on it, which I don't use all 5 foot of it. I conveniently set it right here in the corner and I never have to touch it other than that, guys. Like I said, I make sure it's on automatic mode, and when there's trash right here in front of it, I simply kick the vacuum on and all the trash goes straight into the vacuum, and once you get done vacuuming, the vacuum kicks off. So that makes it ultimately convenient, and well, it works anytime you want to actually put something in front of them sensors. Overall, guys, this has saved me so much time, and like I said, it sits right in the corner, so that makes it convenient as well. All right, guys, thanks for watching.